and this is how this doorway looks. And we're just gonna fill this and this with smooth quartz stone. Okay, this is how it looks. Starting from this side all the way inside, we're gonna use birch plank and fill it all up. Okay, so this is how it looks after being filled. And I'm also gonna fill this area too. So this is how it has come to look like. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna, add smooth quartz from all of here till here. Okay, so basically it would go like this. Let me just grab the smooth quartz blocks. Yep, like this. Just like this. Okay, so we have made a little bit of room like this on the top. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab an end rod and place it like this. We're gonna grab a white stained glass paint, add it like this. Similarly on this side we can add another end rod like this, and we can extend it end rod just like this. If we come towards this side, what we can do is we're just gonna break all of these blocks except this block around this pillar. We're just gonna increase it in length, and we have also increased this pillar in length. We're gonna grab our bridge stairs and place them just like this. You're gonna grab your smooth quartz slab and you're gonna start placing them just like this on both of these areas. Next, you're gonna grab your end rod and you're gonna start, adding them. About 6 end rods on this side and similarly on this side too. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some black banner and you know add it all around this, and then some gray banner, white banner, and brown, and then again a red. After that, we're gonna, place our trapdoors just like this. We're just gonna break these two. We don't need them. We're gonna place them like these. We're gonna grab our armored stand and, place him just like this. We're gonna add some redstone blocks just like this, okay? And then we're just gonna cover all of this from above. Here, as you can see, I have, just filled up the roof with some smooth quartz block. It looks like this from the above. Next, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get some white stained glass paint and, you know, make it all around the stairs, just like this. We can grab some flower pots and some flowers and, just place them all around this side. Just like this, okay? Coming over to this side, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get some short grass and add it all to this grass over here. Then we're gonna get our glowstone. We're gonna add it just like this. We're gonna get our smooth quartz block and increase it from both sides just like this. We're gonna get a smooth quartz slab and we're gonna place it just like this. Oops, my bad. Just like this. We're gonna get our smooth quartz block again. And just increase it up in length. Here what we're gonna do is we're just gonna increase it all the way to this side. Sorry, extend it further and just connect it to the other side. Just like this, okay? We're just gonna, fill these two rows with the quartz blocks also, okay? Starting from, this side, and it's gonna go all the way just like this, just like this. Okay. Okay, coming towards this side, what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna get some black stained glass paint, and starting from this side, we're just gonna keep on using it to, make a glass frame, just like this. Okay, we're gonna get some campfire and place it on top of these, just like this. We're gonna get some andesite stairs. Before, placing the andesite stairs, we're just gonna add another row of slabs, just like this on this area, just like this. Now we're gonna get our andesite stairs, put it on both of these sides, just like this. Andesite slab, then get the andesite, and just increase this in length, just like this. Okay. When we come to this side, we're just gonna get some smooth parts, also some of its stairs, and we're just gonna start from this side like this. Similarly, right here. Here, what we're gonna do is basically we're just gonna place them in this direction. On top, we're just gonna, do it like this to give it a bit of texture. Okay, coming towards this side, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get our sea lantern, place them just like this. We're gonna, get our smooth quartz and fill them in the insides. We're gonna grab our oak sign, just like this, and we're gonna grab our dark oak signboard, just like this. Okay, we're gonna grab our dark oak sign and connect it all the way. And lastly, we're just gonna cover it up with lime carpet, just like this. Okay, coming towards this area again, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna break these, and we're just gonna put our stairs in this area just like this. We're gonna grab our andesite slabs and put them like here in this way. Coming towards this side, what we're gonna do is basically we're just gonna put two inverted quartz stairs, and then like this we're gonna place another stairs. We're gonna add our tripwire hook just like this so it looks like a faucet, and then we're just gonna get started to put a mirror or something like that with our loom. Okay, so let's just do it right here. For our loop, basically what we're gonna do is, okay, we don't need the fish, sorry, my bad. We're just gonna get our light gray banner. We're gonna put it with some cyan dye, and we're just gonna get this. Then again, we're gonna put it inside here. We're gonna grab our white one. We're just gonna go down and select this one. Next, we're just gonna pop it inside again, get our blue dye. We're gonna go down and get a gradient with the upper side. This is the one, like this. Lastly, we're gonna put it again inside and add the gray and just add the border like this. So this is our light gray banner, and basically we're just gonna grab it, and this is how it looks. It looks like our mirror. Yeah. Okay, so next what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna grab our black stained glass and layer it like this all the way to the edge, like this. We're gonna grab our glass stained panel and put it just like this, just like this. add two of these glasses right over here. Grab our glass pane again. Sorry, yep, this is the correct one. And we're just gonna connect it from the above, just like this. Or we can, shorten it a bit. Now this didn't look good. Yep, this seems perfect size. Okay, we're also gonna use it all around this side, just like this, okay? So we can easily enter here to use a washroom or anything you want. Lastly, what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna cover all this up and fill this area to the top with black concrete. So here I have done exactly that and I have filled it. So coming inside, what we're just gonna do lastly, we're gonna add an end rod just like this. We're gonna add an iron trapdoor on top of it, and we're just gonna add a stone button right over here, so it looks like a shower area. And here we're just gonna add a toilet, so an inverted stairs and a carpet on top of it, like this. So basically, till now, and we can add, just a tube light here. So for that, we're just gonna extend it just like this, or we can also make it just like this, okay? So basically here our washroom is also complete. We're just gonna move on to the next section.